After removing the valve from the pressure balance housing, it's time to disassemble the valve. The valve consists of several components, with seals, there's springs, ceramic shafts, and carbide. So it's very important to take this valve apart and inspect every component carefully. To do this, we provide some sort of a mounting bracket that would fit onto your table, and that would enable you to disassemble or remove the cap from the valve itself. Once you break that connection, it's easy enough to pull it out of the mounting bracket, take the cap out, or take the cap off, and then push the components out of the valve. We provide a small plastic pipe in the boat kit, and you can simply put it through the top end section and gently push the components out. The first is a carbide piece, so you'd want to inspect that for any chips or damage. Then there's a valve stem, another inner component with 2 seals on it, another ceramic valve stem, a small spring, which is very important to investigate and understand if there's any damage or wash, and then another ceramic part. All these components would be carefully inspected. If there's any damage to them, any visible wear or wash, they'd need to be replaced.